Imagine starting your day like any other. The sun is just beginning to rise, casting a warm glow through your kitchen window. You reach for your favorite coffee mug, the one that fits perfectly in your hand, and you pour yourself a fresh cup of coffee. The aroma fills the room and you feel ready to take on the day. But then, something feels off. You reach for the handle, but it's not where you expect it to be. It's a small inconvenience, but it throws you off balance. You pause, confused, and try to adjust. The handle is designed for a right-handed grip, and you have to twist your wrist awkwardly to hold it properly. It's a subtle reminder that the world isn't quite built for you. You sit down at your desk, ready to start your work. You reach for your computer mouse, but it feels awkward in your left hand. The buttons are positioned for a right-handed user, and you have to contort your fingers to click them comfortably. Your desk is cluttered with tools and gadgets, all designed with right-handers in mind. Scissors, notebooks, even the layout of your keyboard. Everything seems to be a constant reminder that you're navigating a world that wasn't designed for you. Everyday tasks become small challenges. Opening a jar, using a can opener, even writing in a spiral notebook. These are things that most people don't think twice about, but for you, they require extra effort and adaptation. The frustration builds as you try to use tools and devices that don't quite fit your hand. It's a constant, subtle reminder that you're different, that the world wasn't built with you in mind. These experiences, though seemingly mundane, raise a fundamental question. Why are some individuals left-handed in a predominantly right-handed world? It's a question that has intrigued scientists, psychologists, and philosophers for centuries. The exploration of left-handedness delves into genetics, brain function, and evolutionary biology. Researchers have discovered that handedness is influenced by a complex interplay of genetic and environmental factors. It's not just about which hand you use to write or throw a ball. It's about how your brain is wired, how you perceive the world, and how you interact with it. Throughout history, left-handed individuals have made significant contributions to art, science, and culture. Leonardo da Vinci, Albert Einstein, and Marie Curie are just a few examples of left-handers who have left an indelible mark on the world. Today, left-handers continue to excel in various fields, from sports to technology to the arts. They bring unique perspectives and innovative solutions to the challenges they face. For left-handed children, learning to navigate a right-handed world can be particularly challenging. They often have to adapt their techniques and find creative ways to accomplish tasks that come naturally to their right-handed peers. Fortunately, there are now more tools and resources available to help left-handers thrive. From left-handed scissors to ergonomic computer mice, these innovations make it easier for left-handers to navigate their daily lives. Embracing left-handedness means celebrating the diversity of human experience. It's about recognizing that different doesn't mean deficient, it means unique, valuable, and worthy of accommodation. By understanding and supporting left-handed individuals, we can create a more inclusive world where everyone has the tools they need to succeed. It's about flipping the script and seeing the world from a different perspective, a left-handed perspective. So the next time you reach for your coffee mug or use your computer mouse, take a moment to appreciate the unique challenges and strengths of left-handed individuals. In a world flipped, they continue to thrive and inspire. The preference for using one hand over the other, known as handedness, is a fundamental human trait. It's a visible manifestation of brain asymmetry, reflecting a complex interplay of genetic predispositions and environmental influences. While the majority of the population exhibits right-handedness, a significant minority consistently favors their left hand for tasks requiring skill and dexterity. This raises a fundamental question. What determines this preference? Why do some individuals develop left-handedness while others are right-handed? The answer, as with many aspects of human biology, is far from simple. It involves a complex interplay of genes, brain structure, and environmental factors. Left-handedness is far from a rare occurrence. In fact, it is a fascinating aspect of human diversity that has intrigued scientists, historians, and the general public for centuries. The phenomenon of left-handedness, where individuals predominantly use their left hand for tasks, is not just a trivial difference, but a significant trait that affects various aspects of life. Approximately 10% of the global population exhibits this trait, making it a significant minority group. This means that out of every 10 people you meet, one is likely to be left-handed. This percentage might seem small, but when you consider the global population, it translates to hundreds of millions of left-handed individuals worldwide. Despite its prevalence, left-handed individuals often encounter a world designed for right-handed use. This right-hand dominance is evident in the design of many everyday objects and tools, which can make simple tasks more challenging for left-handers. From writing with a pen that smudges to using a computer mouse designed for the right hand, the struggle is real and often overlooked. From scissors and can openers to desks and musical instruments, the list of right-handed tools is extensive. Scissors, for instance, are a common source of frustration for left-handers. The blades are designed in such a way that they work efficiently only when used with the right hand. Similarly, can openers and musical instruments like guitars are often tailored for right-handed use, making it difficult for left-handers to use them comfortably. Many everyday objects are implicitly designed with right-handed users in mind. This design bias extends to more than just tools. It includes furniture, kitchen appliances, and even school desks. For example, school desks with attached chairs are often designed for right-handed students, making it awkward for left-handed students to write comfortably. This can pose challenges for left-handers, requiring them to adapt and find workarounds in a world not quite made for them. Left-handed individuals often develop unique techniques to use right-handed tools, showcasing their adaptability and resilience. However, these adaptations can sometimes lead to discomfort or even physical strain over time. This persistent right-hand bias in design highlights the importance of recognizing and accommodating the needs of left-handed individuals. Advocates for left-handed inclusivity emphasize the need for more ambidextrous or left-hand-friendly designs in everyday objects. By doing so, we can create a more inclusive environment that acknowledges and respects the diversity of human abilities. It underscores the need for greater awareness and inclusivity in a world that often overlooks the experiences of this significant minority. By raising awareness and advocating for change, we can ensure that left-handed individuals are not left out or forced to conform to a right-handed world. Inclusivity in design is not just about convenience, it's about recognizing and valuing the unique experiences and needs of all individuals, regardless of their handedness. Section 4. The Handwriting of Our Genes. The search for the roots of handedness has led scientists to delve into the human genome.
While a single left-handed gene remains elusive, research suggests that multiple genes contribute to the likelihood of developing left-handedness. These genes likely influence brain asymmetry, impacting how the left and right hemispheres develop and specialize.
However, genetic predisposition is only part of the story. Environmental factors and random developmental variations also play a role. This complex interplay between nature and nurture makes it challenging to pinpoint the exact cause of left-handedness in any given individual. Section 5. Left brain, left hand. The brain, the command center of the human body, exhibits a fascinating asymmetry. This asymmetry is not just a random occurrence but a well-orchestrated design that allows for the specialization of different functions within each hemisphere. The left and right hemispheres, while interconnected, specialize in different functions. This specialization is what allows humans to perform complex tasks efficiently. For instance, while one hemisphere might be processing language, the other could be handling spatial awareness.
The left hemisphere, often associated with language, logic, and analytical thinking, is like the brain's internal computer, processing data and making sense of the world in a structured manner. It typically controls the right side of the body, meaning that movements and sensations on the right side are managed by the left hemisphere. This cross-wiring is a fundamental aspect of brain function. The right hemisphere, associated with spatial reasoning, creativity, and emotional processing, controls the left side. This hemisphere is often seen as the more artistic and intuitive side of the brain, handling tasks that require a holistic view.
This division of labor, known as lateralization, is crucial for efficient brain function. Lateralization allows each hemisphere to become highly specialized, improving the brain's overall capacity to handle diverse tasks. It plays a crucial role in understanding handedness. Handedness, or the preference for using one hand over the other, is a direct result of this lateralization. In right-handed individuals, the left hemisphere's control over the right hand is dominant. This dominance is why most people find their right hand more dexterous and capable of performing fine motor tasks. In left-handed individuals, this dominance is either reversed or less pronounced. This means that the right hemisphere may take on more control, or the control might be more evenly distributed between the two hemispheres. This variation can lead to differences in how left-handed individuals process information and perform tasks. Interestingly, left-handed individuals often exhibit greater brain plasticity, meaning their brains can adapt more readily to new tasks or recover from injuries. This adaptability is a fascinating area of study and suggests that the brain's wiring is more flexible than previously thought. Historically, left-handedness was often misunderstood and even stigmatized. However, modern neuroscience has shed light on the unique advantages and characteristics of left-handed individuals, showing that they are just as capable and diverse in their abilities as right-handed individuals. Many famous and successful individuals, from artists to scientists, have been left-handed, further proving that handedness is just one of many factors that contribute to a person's abilities and talents. As research continues, we are likely to uncover even more about the complexities of brain lateralization and handedness, providing deeper insights into how our brains shape who we are and how we interact with the world. Understanding the intricate dance between the left and right hemispheres not only helps us appreciate the marvel of the human brain, but also opens up new avenues for enhancing learning, creativity, and recovery from brain injuries.